channel. Good morning. So today is the first day we're using the Canon M50 Mark II. First video, here we go, yeah. Anyway, so today we're gonna try the Kroger natural flavored cinnamon rolls with icing. Yeah, alright, pulled this out of the freezer. It's starting to defrost, but I don't think we need to do that. So let's see. So what do we need to do here? Hold on, let's figure this out. So we need to preheat the oven to 400. Okay, that's going. So we just need to separate it and bake it to 13 to 17 minutes. Wow, so in between 4 minutes, what? Really? Cook until golden brown. Cut tip with packet with scissors and drizzle the icing. Alright, well, let's get to the kitchen, everybody. Cinnamon roll time for breakfast. So we have our cookie sheet, parchment paper. You don't need this, but it's easier to, you know, get them off when ready. But there we go. Let's go ahead and open this. How do we do that? Seriously, how do we open this? Can opener? Hold on, let's figure this out. Okay, so apparently it says right here to peel it. So yeah, just watch me attempt to peel it. Oh, okay, just like that. Or are we just taking the wrapping off? Okay, now what? What do we do? How do we open this? Come on! This is ridiculous. Ah! I honestly don't know what to do here. What the hell? So we got the scissors here. We're just gonna, I guess, stab it, cut it. Hold on, let's figure this out. Cut. Nope. Stab. Nope. Pound it. Nope. Okay, I finally got it open. What I did is just stabbed it and then, yeah, opened it that way. But alright, there it is. Look, cinnamon rolls. So there's our cinnamon rolls. And I was like, what is this at the bottom? A secret compartment? That's the icing, baby. Look at that. Yeah, icing. Woo. Yeah, drizzle that on after. Alright. Let's separate this now, huh? Alright, there we go. Spread them out. It's actually pretty difficult. Honestly, this whole thing is difficult. They're like stuck together, and see how to cut it to free them. Apparently they're supposed to be 8, so there's 8 for you, alright? Come on. Difficult. Anyways, let's put it in now. Cinnamon rolls. Get in there. Oi! Oi! Now we just set this to, what was it, 17 minutes? It says 13 to 17. So confusing. I don't want to burn it, but okay. We'll be back. Wish me luck. But we'll put this right on the oven so it defrosts and comes out nice and warm. And yeah, shoot it on there. Alright, there we go. Finished. How do those look? So the parchment paper is supposed to make it easy. Yeah, see, non-stick, just like that. Move them all around. Hopefully I didn't burn them. Did they look burnt? No, I mean, no, they're fine. Come on, they're perfect. That was 17 minutes. I'm following directions. So yeah, let's go ahead and put them on the plate now. There we go. So now let's go ahead and put the icing on. Cut it right there. Drizzle it on. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. Money shot. Uh-oh, do I have enough? Oh no. One more. Oh no, come on. Squirt it on there. Shoot. There we go. Alright, we did it. Look at that now. Oof. Look at that. Iced up, baby. Done. Let's take another look at them. Now that looks hella appetizing. Here we go, everybody. Reviewing The Kroger cinnamon rolls. Hope I didn't burn these. Could have been pulled out earlier. Has a crunch to it. If I would have left it any longer, completely burnt. Damn. I guess it's best not to follow directions. No to the 17 minutes. I mean, it's still good, but like, I would prefer it a lot softer. Right? But yeah, this is my breakfast. So it said 13, 17. I would have pulled it out at least at 15. Yeah. You hear that? You hear that? That's unfortunate. You guys ever been to Cinnabon? Now that's nice and soft, especially when it comes right out of the oven. That's where it's at, but they're so expensive. I think I had one that size, right? That size. It was like $7, $8. Oh my gosh, really? Es muy caro. Yeah, hard. Oh, crunchy. Nope, nope. Don't like that. Don't like that. But it's my fault. I guess you can blame me. If it wasn't for that, it's not bad. Probably I know, just right now I'm thinking it's burned, you know, not good. But if it was softer, maybe 7 out of 10. That's me attempting to try to make cinnamon rolls, yeah. The inside is soft. The inside, yeah. Wow. I guess just take off the edges. Yeah. The icing though, see? The layers right there. That's a lot better. Nice and soft. That's how we like it. Definitely need some milk while eating these. It's thick, so yeah. Anyways, pick these up at Ralph's for $2.99. So if you want a little treat, go ahead, Ralph's. Yeah, why not, right? Only $2.99. You get 8 Cinnabon, 1 that size, $8. No. Just stick with the deals, all right? We like deals around here. So, anyways, groovy vibes, everybody. This is the new video on my new camera. How about that, huh? Yeah. Let me know what you think. Better quality? I think so. Yeah. Why not, right? Anyways, hit up my PayPal. Hit up my Venmo, description down below. Thank you everybody for supporting Groovy Vibes all the way. NateVlog out here providing the best of the best content. Yeah, cinnamon buns. Come on, you want one? Go ahead, come on, grab it. Go ahead. Come on. Look at that. There. You want that one? Look at that icing. You want that on your face? Oof. All right, we'll see ya. Bye-bye.